Let's take it out.
Poor Cha-Cha.
Cha-Cha's being stalked. He's looking for her. Over here, Thomas. Over here.
Cha-Cha.
This way.
Hi,
Tom.
sweet.
He's
Her
looking.
hair's standing straight up. She's...
This way, Thomas. This way.
Are you okay?
He's looking for her, Jade. Thomas is looking. Look, Thomas. Look. Look. Look there. Look up there. Look. Up. Up. There. Look. Thomas.
Thomas.
Look. There. There she is.
You pet Cha-Cha. Grandma hold her nice. Oh, gentle. Don't pull her hair out. Nice with your hands. Nice. Say, yes. Say hi, Cha-Cha. Oh, yes, I know. Say hi, Cha-Cha. You can touch her gentle. Oh, she's got her claws out. It's okay, Cha-Cha.
Be careful.
We don't want Cha-Cha to scratch you. There's the baby. Nice. Okay. They're not like dogs. They're not as durable and as easygoing as a dog.
Mm-hmm.
You know? Maybe on some level Cha-Cha likes it. Cha-Cha, I was trying to help you out.
I don't think so, Cha-Cha's like, I'm going back to a hiding place.